DJ Delz.
Alright, so I've had requests for me to do an out-of-the-box review on Pudgy Pig. This is celebrating 25 years of Funko and the Power Rangers. So definitely an exciting pop. This whole release with all of the bad guys. There's so many other ones to pick up, including the Power Rangers without their helmets in their uniforms. Really cool stuff. And if you're looking for these, I will link all of them in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let's take this wild looking Pudgy Pig out of its package. So here is a close-up look at Pudgy Pig. Ridiculous looking, just the oversized pig head with arms that are attached inside of his mouth, and then legs which are literally just connected to the bottom of his head. Such a silly character, probably top 3 most silliest monsters out of Power Rangers, but hilarious. He would just eat all types of stuff. You could see him even like swallow down swords. And there's a look at his side profile. I'm pretty sure he had a tail though. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure he had a tail. I may be wrong though. And there's a look at the back. The helmet looks awesome. And it's just such a silly character, like all the other Power Ranger bad guys for the most part. I would say besides him, there's the rapping pumpkin, which is pretty ridiculous. There even was like this guy who was like a purse. Another funny character. There was a bunch of them. Leave your comments in the box. Who was the most ridiculous bad guy when it comes to Power Rangers? And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button right now. I did do a review yesterday out of the box of Venom. I highly recommend this pop. And if you're looking for this one, or there's so many others, I will just put a list in the description box below to all the new ones you can pre-order or order now. So look in the description box and that will help you out. I mean, there's like the Little Shop of Horrors ones, which I'm trying to get all of them. There's a bunch of Marvel ones that's coming out. There's the Predators. There's all these Power Ranger ones. All of that will be linked in the description box below to help you guys out. So take a look. I always suggest pre-ordering, especially when it comes to some of them that have chases involved with, like the Predator. There's the chase involved. There's a chance for the chase. At least if you order online, there's probably a better chance of you getting it versus trying to hunt them down at your stores. Getting back to this pop one more time. Hilarious. Had to get it. Leave your comments. Leave your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in. Join my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. I do an hour podcast there. Helps out the channel too. Plus, you're entered into a monthly giveaway. And thanks for tuning in. Much love.